India 2023. Second runner-up is Femina Miss India Manipur 2023.
So, Miss India, well, it's not just a title. It's a journey to self-discovery. You see, a few years back when doubt and fear clouded my heart, making me question my self-worth. But here I am, living the dream that I thought was impossible to even dream of. So what does Miss India mean to me? I would say it's faith. Faith in acceptance, inclusivity, and embracing differences. No matter your background, how you look, or your upbringing, we're all representatives of love, unity, and diversity under this incredible nation. My journey with Miss India 2023 has taught me this. And I know that its legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. So if you're ready to embark on your own journey of self-discovery, don't wait. Register now, become the next Miss India, and spread love, unity, and diversity. Be the hope.